everyone, my name is Liv. Welcome back to another one of my diet vlog. Today is Sunday. I have a little bit more time in the morning, so I decided to make some egg muffins. This is a super easy and nutritious breakfast. I love making this on Sundays because it's a really good meal prep for the next couple of days. You can add pretty much any vegetables you want. I've got a yellow bell pepper and some spinach sitting in my fridge, so that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm also adding a sausage for some extra protein, but you can totally leave it out or use bacon instead. I'm just gonna chop everything into really small pieces so they'll fit nicely in my muffin tin. Here I'm just adding a little bit of the veggies and the diced sausages into each of the muffin tin cups. I then poured in the egg mixture and topped each one with some cheese and sprinkled some paprika on top. Just a quick disclaimer, this is by no means my everyday diet. I typically don't restrict my calorie intake, and I probably eat anywhere from 14 to 1700 calories per day, if not more. I am 5'2" and I live a relatively sedentary lifestyle, and I only do this for about 2 days per week. During those days, I try to follow a high protein, low fat, and low carb diet. If you're interested in this type of video or this type of diet, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. For lunch, I'm making some patties using chicken breasts. Normally, I would use ground chicken because it's easier, but I had these chicken breast tenderloins in my fridge, so I thought, why not? I'm cutting the chicken tenderloins in half lengthwise to make them thinner. I then slice them into really small strips. I'm mixing them with some finely shredded carrots, finely diced bell peppers, and some sweet peas. For seasoning, I'm using soy sauce, garlic salt, oyster sauce, paprika, and about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Here I'm just quickly mixing them together until they're well combined and a little bit sticky in texture. In total, I used a little over half a pound of chicken, and I ended up making 5 chicken patties. I fried them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side over low to medium heat, and they turned out perfectly. For dinner, I was craving some sweet and sour shrimp. It's super quick and super delicious. Here I have about 12 ounces of frozen shrimp and I'm just quickly cleaning and defrosting them. So that's everything I ate today. I had about 100 grams of protein and right around 1100 calories in total. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel because I'll be making more videos like this. And if you have any meal suggestions or recipes you'd like me to try, please leave me a comment below. Till next time!